Hi. So today we'll be doing French Revolution. French Revolution was basically such a revolution which actually transformed the entire society. It was through this revolution that monarchy and aristocracy came to an end, and there was establishment of a republican form of government. Now, the three prominent reasons of French Revolution was: first is a political reason, second social reason, third economical reason. Now, the political reason is, again, we have three subparts. The first part is that the King Louis XVI was very ineffective, was very inefficient, was indecisive. In addition to this, the king, the Louis XVI, he was not able to manage the finances of the kingdom, and this led to a large discontentment against the king and the rule and the government. Okay, now the second point is that the third estate, the commoners, they wanted a part in political representation, but again this was denied by the king. The third point is that the king himself, the Louis XVI, he himself wanted certain reforms in the taxation system, but this reforms was opposed by the clergy and the nobles. Coming on to the social causes. Now, the society of France was divided into three categories. The first was your first estate, second estate, and third estate. Now, the first estate constituted of the clergy, second of the nobles, and third of the commoners. Now, the third estate, that is of the commoners, they were shouldering the entire burden of the taxation system, and they had very limited access to land. Coming on to the second and the first estate, the clergy and the nobles, they were the privileged class. They were exempted from all sort of taxes, and they were enjoying each and every privilege of the society. Now, again, this led to a large discontentment against the rule of the Louis XVI. Coming on to economical causes. Now, in this, the France was indebted. Indebted मतलब वो कर्जे में था. France कर्ज में था because of the involvement in अमेरिकन रेवोल्यूशन में इन्वॉल्वमेंट की वजह से जो फ्रांस था वो कर्ज में था. ठीक है. नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ दिस देयर वाज अगेन अ वाइड स्प्रेड डिसकंटेनमेंट, क्योंकि वो कर्ज में था, वो डेट में था. एंड अगेन लूप होल्स इन लीगल सिस्टम की अगर हम बात करें तो लीगल सिस्टम में बहुत ज़्यादा लूप होल्स थे विद कंटेक्स्ट टू द टैक्सेशन सिस्टम के सिर्फ कॉमनर्स को देना था. सिर्फ टैक्स was only given by the commoners, not the first and the second estate, the privileged classes. They were not giving the tax system. The major turning point was that when the commoners, they constituted a national assembly, and they formed the Declaration of Human Rights and rights of citizens. So this was it for French Revolution. Thank you.